I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. Still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What shall we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need.
It seems like we've been here before. Since 17, it's been par for the course. 'Cause it's a Thursday and I forgive you, but I got empty cups filling up my bedroom, and I keep thinking this all could end soon, as if the world's ever on time. You tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay, going off the deep end. What can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low. Do you think about the state of it all? Could it be Rome is starting to fall? Blinking in the courtroom. Lately all I seem to do is disappoint you. I got blood stains in the cheap suit, but I think that I'm alright. Could you tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay, going off the deep end? What can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low.
Hey guys, it's Josie Bunn, and I am back with another thrift haul. Are we surprised? I'm sure you guys enjoyed the thrift with me footage at the beginning of this video, so let's jump right on in and get into what I actually picked up. You've seen most of it, but let's just do a really quick try on and thrift haul portion just to end the video out nicely. Now, the first thing that I did end up picking up is actually kind of embarrassing, and it's embarrassing because I already own these. And I bought a second pair of them. Yeah. So these are a pair of genuine suede pants by the brand Massini. They are tan, they are gorgeous, I love them very much, but I did already own them. Now I picked these up because I wasn't sure if I had turned those trousers into shorts, because I had another pair of suede pants that I had done that with previously, so I couldn't quite remember if I had another pair of like full-length actual suede pants. So just to be on the safe side, I picked these up, and then when I got home I promptly realized I own this exact pair of pants, same size, same brand, same pants. Like they are this, like I have two of these now. So I'm not really sure what to do with these. I'm debating on if I should sell them on like Poshmark, or if I should donate them again, or if I should DIY them. So if you have any suggestions for me, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, because I would love to know what I could do with these, besides maybe turning them into like a basic pair of shorts, because I already have a pair of basic suede shorts, so that wouldn't be super helpful. But if you guys can think of anything for me to do with a pair of beautiful camel colored suede pants, that would be really helpful. I also might just keep them as like a backup pair, because they are suede, so if you get them wet, like super wet, or if you spill something on them, there's not really a productive and cheap way to fix that. So maybe I'll just keep them in case I'm clumsy in the other pair, though I can't really foresee that happening. But now that I've said something, knock on wood, I'm gonna spill something, but if I do, I have a second pair. The next thing I picked up is not super exciting, so don't get excited. There are some exciting things in this haul, but this isn't one of them. This is by the brand T for Talbots. It is probably part of their workout line. It's a size small petite, and I really loved this. It's a cute little heather gray and black activewear zip up. I do like thrifting activewear a lot, especially like high quality pieces like this one. Looks and feels really well made. It's great for going to the gym or physical therapy in like the winter time, just because it is a jacket, and so you can take it on and off. You can work out in it if you want to, but you definitely could just wear it as sort of like, you know, going in or leaving the gym, so you don't get sweat on your like nicer coats, which is definitely something that I hate doing. So it's a nice layering piece to go in between this and like an actual coat, just to avoid getting the coat dirty. I told myself I didn't need another denim shirt the last time I cleaned my closet, but in my defense, I also note that I can get rid of like one or two shirts and replace them with this one, because this one is way higher quality than the other ones that I have. So this is by Ralph Lauren Sport. It's a size 4. It is so gorgeous. I love the medium wash of the denim. I also really love this pop of red on the left side here. I think that is so cute. I really like it. I really love this like medium wash. I have like a super light acid wash denim shirt. I have a darker denim shirt, and now I have a really nice like medium denim, which is really nice. It's a good neutral. I like the brown buttons. I mean, everything about this is very simple, but definitely very effective, and I definitely really like it. I was really excited to find this next piece at the thrift store. So this was actually as I was walking out, so I didn't even film me finding it because I was literally about to check out when I got to see this. They had just placed this on an end cap of like the aisle, so as I was walking up to the register, I saw it, and it was a vintage 80s Giorgio Armani sweater item. I did look this up, so this is from the 80s, which I really thought was kind of special. As you guys know, I thrift a lot of 80s fashion here on this channel. I never regarded myself as a lover of the 80s, but according to my fashion sense and the clothing that I pick up, I guess I really am a big fan of the 80s. Who knew? But I really loved it. I loved this eagle motif. I like the GA in the center. I like the sort of nautical vibe of like the navy blue and the white. I think it is in near perfect condition. There is a tiny little, almost looks like a coffee or a mustard stain on the bottom of the sweater here, but I don't think it's super noticeable, and I should be able to get that out with like some borax, I'm pretty sure. This does not have a materials tag, but from what I could find out about this particular sweater online is it is wool, so I'm a little skeptical of how to get that tiny little stain out. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know, because I am interested in doing that. This next piece, I may have ruined it. I'm not sure. I didn't ruin it. I'll still wear it either way, but this was in perfect condition when I bought it, and then when I put it in the washing machine, which it said I could, I think something may have, like, the color may have seeped into this a little bit, because it's got like this tiny stain now on like the edge of it. It's like gray, but it is a white old lady blouse, and I know I didn't need another denim shirt, and I didn't need an old lady blouse, but I could not help it. This was so beautiful, and I mean, just like, look at it. This is gonna style so well. I hoard these, I swear. I am seriously not allowed to buy another white blouse unless it's amazing. But I liked the sleeve detail, so it's got this little elastic on the sleeve portion, and it sort of just creates this nice billowy sleeve. It's like a pirate sleeve almost. It's kind of like a piratey shirt, actually. So I could also wear this for Halloween. But I really loved this. I am a white shirt lover. I think these pair so nicely with, like, if you wore this with a pair of like high-waisted jeans and heels, that's really cute. Or if you wore this with like a cute little skirt, very like Pinteresty inspired. I definitely think I have been pinning so many things with these types of blouses, so I don't know, it felt really romantic. It's a very, you know, whimsical style of top. It's by the brand Norton's Petite, and it's size medium. Definitely vintage, but I just loved it, and I could not help myself but to get it. So I'm also kind of confused because I did iron this, and the sleeves are still not like they were before I washed it, so I'm like kind of confused as to what happened, but I do still love it. I will still wear it either way. The next thing, the last item of clothing I picked up is actually 2 items of clothing because it's a 2-piece suit, and I have been in love with suits on Pinterest. I have been pinning them like crazy, so I did pick up these trousers, and they do have a matching blazer, which I will show you in a moment, but they are just, I mean, so beautiful. They're this like beige on brown. They're by the brand Atrium. I love these so much. They're just like a plaid pant, which I love. I love this stitching and pleating down the front here, and then these pockets are so deep. I actually thought this was a men's suit at first until I tried the blazer on, and I realized it was more of a feminine cut, but the pockets are so deep in this. It's so convenient and nice. Definitely the nicest pair of suiting pants that I own currently, and then it's got these 2 darts going down the back, which I really loved. I don't know, I just really fell in love with this suit when I saw it, and so I did end up picking it up, even though I technically don't need another suit either. I don't have many 2-piece suits. I do have a lot of suiting trousers and a lot of separate blazers, but I don't have many that actually match, so this is a nice thing to have in my collection as well. And here, for anyone curious, is what the blazer looks like. I actually really liked that this doesn't have any lapels. This is just a flat blazer. It kind of comes in at an angle and then drops off straight down, which I also thought was a really nice, interesting cut. It's not just like a regular blazer, which I really liked. I love, again, the pattern. I like that the buttons are sort of stone-like. They're made to look like stone. They're definitely just plastic, but they are sort of more high quality. And then the pockets I have yet to cut open, but that is also a really nice thing for me, because then it means no one's used the pockets yet, which means I'm not going to find a nasty surprise in there, which, if you've been thrifting and you like blazers or coats or anything with deep pockets, you've probably found a nasty surprise once or twice in your thrifted goodies. Either in store or when you get it home, unfortunately. But I did really like this. I love the color. Sort of in a neutrals phase, so this has definitely been something that I have enjoyed thrifting. The last 2 items I picked up are actually, one is an accessory and one is a piece of home decor. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the accessory first, and it is this beautiful straw daisy bag. This is the perfect summer tote. This is so perfect. I love this so much. It's got these little white straw daisies weaved into the regular straw of the bag. It's so cute. It's a great little rectangular bag. It's sort of like, it's definitely not like a lot of other straw bags in that they're usually really thin, so you can't really hold a lot, but this is like massive. So this is great. You could put a snack in here, you could take it to the beach, you could have your sunscreen, your bug spray, you know, like a book you could have in here, or I could fit, I just bonked myself in the nose, and I thought it would look really great with some sundresses, so that's really cute, and I liked it a lot. So I grabbed it and I bought it. The last thing that I picked up was this really large and beautiful fruit basket. I really loved this. I thought this would be so cute on a kitchen counter, or even like to hold sewing supplies, because I do have a lot of that as well. If I have like a material that I bought, or just something that needs to be altered in any way, I could like sort of put it in this basket and style it kind of nicely instead of just having it laying around. So that is really, really cute. I absolutely love baskets like this. I probably wouldn't have picked this up if it weren't this color, because it is just this such rich, deep chocolate brown stain over the straw basket, and I really love this so much. I also really love a good rattan basket. So it is, I called it straw earlier, it's not straw, it is rattan. Rattan. I'm sorry, you guys, I woke up at 6 a.m. to film this, and I hate getting up that early, so forgive me. I'm working on one brain cell. This was only $2.99, so I really did love the price, especially for what this is. I feel like Target would sell this to you for $35.99, and that's just like not a good price in my opinion. I don't know. It's probably not a vintage basket, but that doesn't really matter to me as long as I like the look of it, and I definitely love the look of this. I love the tones. This will look so beautiful in a kitchen someday, and until then it's going to hold some of my things that I need to make alterations to right away, or like magazines or something I think would be really cute to hold in here after I clean this up. So yeah, that was my little home decor find of the day. And with that out of the way, I have successfully shown you everything that I bought, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!